Welcome to the October share of work done around the North Reading Public Schools in the area of digital learning. At the Hood School, students worked on collaborative projects using the iPad. Teachers worked alongside the digital learning specialists, learning the difference between fact and opinion and reading leaf jumpers. Classes had interactive lessons with the smartboard. Helen Kelly is the digital learning specialist at the Hood School. At the Batchelder School, we have future coders at work. K-5 students at the LD Batchelder School are using VBot and the Scratch Junior iPad app. Students are also using the Scratch software created by MIT to help develop early programming skills. The digital learning specialist at the Batchelder School is Chris Lindsay. At the Little School, they're working on WebQuest. Digital learning specialist Sam Anthony is using Google Sites for students in the 3rd and 2nd grade to create WebQuests. They both have an introduction and process section. There are 2 links included. Students are able to follow these pages and do web-based research to help learn more about particular subjects like space. In the North Reading Middle School, they've done some iReady testing. They've been using the Chromebooks for this testing, and iReady is an educational software which provides a valid and reliable growth measure for students K through 12. Digital learning specialist Joanne Coughlin has assisted teachers in effectively administering the testing and guiding students and staff through the process. In the North Reading Middle School, the website design process is well underway. In Susan Musacchio's computer education course, students have dived into web design using a rich research process while also learning HTML programming. Students are researching topics, then with Google Forms, they're actually being quizzed on whether or not they know the tags within the HTML code to effectively create the web page, which will show the information about their topic. So it's a full cycle of the curriculum in which they research, they're also assessed, they learn how to do some programming, and then they have the creation of the new web page. Also in the middle school, in Chip Osgood's robotics course, students are learning to create interactive animation and Scratch programming. They're designing and coding their own video game, which features an original character that is fully user-controlled within the environment. They also creating a variable that responds to on-screen interactions. And these interactions ultimately control the end of the game. Kathy Dashow, the K-12 digital learning specialist, presented digital storytelling at the MassQ conference at Gillette Stadium. MassQ stands for Massachusetts Computer Using Educators. Her presentation was well attended and many stayed after to ask her questions about the use of Alice programming and Google Earth in digital storytelling. Many were impressed with her technical knowledge and her sharing of best practices. Google Admin Console training. In an effort to streamline their use of Google Apps for education, members of the digital learning team attended the Google Admin Console training held at the SEAM Collaborative in Woburn, Mass. This training helped ensure the proper management of Google accounts and Chrome devices district-wide. From the left is Daniel Downs, Chris Lindsay, Joanne Coughlin, and Kathy Dashow. In the North Reading Middle School Library Media Center, all middle school students had an orientation to learn about the Library Media Center. where they learned about all the resources available to them in the library on the library website. Due to having a certified library media specialist in the middle school, NRMS students now have access to over 30 Gale databases for research. The library media specialist in the middle school is Lauren Walton. In the North Reading High School Library Media Center, Kim Smith has been working with reading classes to instruct them how to locate print and electronic resources for books in the Destiny Library catalog. They have learned how to locate and borrow electronic audiobooks and ebooks from the Commonwealth ebook collections, how to locate and borrow electronic books, audiobooks, movies, and music from Hoopla using an electronic Boston Public Library card, how to navigate the Media Center website and find sources for research. Kim Smith is the library media specialist for the high school. Around the schools, data specialist Nan Cook has been working diligently to ensure accurate data submissions for the state reporting to the Massachusetts Department of Education. She is also the district go-to for managing passwords for the variety of district software while ensuring student data security. Network Administrator Nick Langford manages the school wired and wireless networks, as well as providing robust customer service with a variety of hardware and software support needs throughout the district. Digital learning paraprofessionals. Within the elementary schools, there are digital learning paraprofessionals who provide extensive support within the elementary schools to assist the digital learning specialist, classroom teachers, and students. At the Hood School, this is Coralie Craig. In the Little School, it's Diane McGuire. And at the Batchelder School, it's Sandra O'Connell. Thank you for watching. And this was our October Digital Share.